First today in a Houston courtroom, the legal battle between the families of victims in the Sandy Hook shooting and Alex Jones reached a major milestone.
A judge ruled that Jones's personal assets be liquidated to start paying the families. Victor Jacobo joins us live from outside the federal courthouse. Victor, it's been a long road to get to this point after that national tragedy.
Absolutely, a long road to get here and a long day that is still ongoing inside of the courthouse right now as we speak. But already today, a bankruptcy judge here in the federal courthouse ordered that Alex Jones's personal assets be liquidated so he can already start the process of paying the families of the victims of the Sandy Hook shooting the $1.5 billion that he owes them. Now, Jones has lost 2 defamation cases in Connecticut and Texas for broadcasting lies and conspiracy theories about the 2012 shooting in Newtown, Connecticut, where 20 first graders and 6 educators were killed. Jones sat in the front row of the courtroom and was engaged throughout the hours of today's hearing. At times, he looked focused with his arms resting on the bench. Other times, he was reacting to the courtroom discussion, making facial expressions and making comments to an associate sitting next to him. Before the hearing started, Jones spoke about the future of his controversial InfoWars website.
This is probably the end of InfoWars here very, very soon, if not today, in the next few weeks or months, but it's just the beginning of my fight against tyranny.
The judge also considering if Free Speech Systems, the parent company of InfoWars, should also be liquidated. As we speak right now, closing arguments are ongoing in the courtroom right now for that second phase. We should note that attorneys for the families of the Sandy Hook victims and some of the parents were here but did not speak to members of the media. But inside, attorneys said that this is an important step forward for the families in order to get what they are owed. And while this is a victory for those families for that first phase, it should be noted that Jones's personal assets and even the Free Speech Systems value of that company only amounts to a fraction of that $1.5 billion. We're going to head back inside for the rest of this hearing as it continues and bring you the latest throughout this afternoon. For now, reporting downtown Houston, Victor Jacobo, KHOU 11 News.